Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I want to talk about some weird issue which I am facing, which is related to unable to establish connection on channel dev.flutter.pigeon.imagepicker. Now this usually happens whenever you are using any third-party library from pub.dev on Flutter which is using pigeon inside it. So don't go through this code, doesn't really matter, the code doesn't really matter. So if you are facing an issue like this, like unable to establish connection of flutter.pigeon.imagepicker, so here you can see I have image picker plugin. You can try to google it first. If you go through the Stack Overflow post, here you can see they are just telling you your Flutter pub is outdated, but I am using the latest version of Flutter. So typically I am facing this issue for Android, so I'm talking about Android specific, but if you are facing iOS specific, you can refer this particular example as well. But for Android, what I typically do is, if I'm facing this issue, is the most probable chances you have written some native code inside main.activity. So what typically you need to do is you must have overridden this configure flutter engine method. Okay, so all you need to do is just uncomment this line out. Some people say you also need to add this particular line of code, but for me I don't need to add this particular line of code. So I'll just I'll just quickly show you guys the output. Here you can see I have this pick video button, and I'll just scroll down. Here you can see till here the logs are printed, so I'll just click on pick video. Here you can see I get all these logs. Here you can see again the same thing. If you see over here, unable to establish connection. So I have just uncommented this line of code. So all you need to do is just add a super.configure flutter engine. I'm not sure if this should be flutter fragment activity. If you really require it, then you can use, let's try to keep it as flutter activity itself. Again, don't worry about the native code. The native code will be different for everyone. So I'll just run this. This is only if you have written some native code. So let's try to run this. The main important thing is, if you are overriding configure flutter engine, make sure you add the super method. Again, this is not really necessary, but even after adding this super method, if you are facing issue, then maybe you can uncomment this line of code as well. So let's just wait and see if this works or not. I'm trying to run it on my device. Okay, so the application is up and running. Let's see if it works. So I'll just click on pick video, and here you can see I'm now able to click on pick video or pick image, whatever you are using. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.